She just don't treat me nice. I'm gonna search out Santa Claus and ask his advice. When I get up to Alaska, maybe someone there'll treat me right. I will build me an igloo, live alone in my dome of blue. Buy me a low mileage dog sled and some alligator snowshoes. Yes, yes. I hear 6 months a year you get nighttime all day. I had to practice my harp to keep the polar bears away. Way up in Alaska where the whales and the Eskimos play. So cold when I get back from the North Pole, I defrost her soul. Way up in Alaska, maybe someday I'll treat me right.